para baliktad.
Okay, in Part A, we have what we call the sudden death match. Meaning, another round, but whoever gets the first round, yun po yung talalo sa laban. Kahit na hindi matapos yung 1 minute. Okay? So, you can watch and observe and learn in this kind of technicalities or yung rules. Sudden death match. So, practice na people. Okay, so nakuha lang ang point, dalawa pa, yung red. Sorry, round 2 pa lang, round 2.
Sudden death.
Set lang, set. Maren, 45 rounds out. Go, yes. Stronger teams, yes. Easy, Malana. Abang ka lang. Abang ka lang. Go, yes.
Punta na dito nila.
Maren.
Punta na sa kahal. Pero, blue apple.
Stronger, Maren. Habol, yes. Go. Yes.
Yay!
Eden Orial, Lasal Antipolo, Blue Armor versus Mara Quinta, Lasal Antipolo, Red Armor.
Correction. Sophia, correction. It's Lasal College Antipolo.